All right.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Coach Paul, Coach Adelina, and Coach Tony. I hope you're all having a great day, and everyone in the chat too. How's your morning been?
Good morning, everybody. Good morning.
Perfect.
It's going good.
I hear an echo. Like, I don't know how to.
I can't hear an echo on your side. Keep talking.
Is it Zoom? It's probably Zoom.
I don't hear an echo on you, just on Sam.
Oh, okay. Me? Ooh, okay.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Everything is set correctly. Back end, is there any way you can sort that out? If there's an echo on me.
But everything else, I mean, everything's good on my end. Markets, I mean, Sam, you probably missed the perfect day for trading the markets yesterday. I'll tell you, it was brutal. The range day of range days, your absolute nightmare came to fruition yesterday, but good thing was you weren't here for it. So
yeah,
but nice Tony had a good day. Yeah, Tony had a good day.
I'm happy.
Give me 1 second.
Oh God. Well, the market's just opened.
Oh, I know. It's gonna be a very interesting one. Digesting a lot of headlines here from yesterday, obviously, and we'll see if we can't find a couple of things today. Obviously, in the United States, there was housing starts earlier today.
Damn.
Housing starts at a 5-month high. Looks like housing supply is up 50% year over year.
Yeah.
But still, rents all-time high, cost of living all-time high. So it must be that those houses that are being built are definitely in the higher income brackets. So not really the ones that America needs.
Right.
Yeah. Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
All right.
Well,
market's open. Let's log into.
I do. I'll share my screen. I'll share my screen real quick. Here we go.
Okay, the echo is gone.
Damn.
Oh, perfect. There we go.
Nice. Let's go.
Okay. All good.
All right, so just shared my screen here.
What's going on
Something
here?
interesting to note. I was trading the quiet markets last night, and let me get to the 30-minute chart here. All right. Now, in the ES specifically, we ranged like 15 points at max, essentially. But in the overnight, you'll see that the overnight low of 64.54. There were bids in the overnight, the larger bids in the overnight. That's exactly where they were. And my whole thesis, I went short at one point in the night, and I'm up like $250 at the moment because of that trade. I went short with the whole thesis of getting down into that liquidity, and we bounced right off of it. So I wonder if we're gonna go through that possible area again as like almost like a retest of the overnight low, and then make a decision from there. So I'm gonna kind of sit on my hands for the first 10 minutes or so probably, and just kind of see how that level plays out for me on the ES here.
Very nice. Apparently, Robert says, dang, Sam has competition now. Best accent. I think that's directed towards you, Adelina. Apparently, you have a very nice accent, according to Robert in the chat.
I have one.
A nice accent.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. So yeah, I'm looking at US 30 right now. I'm looking for a retest on the 45,000 and probably to take a position, a buy. We'll see. Not sure yet.
Very nice.
I need to see the full retest.
So we have another US 30 trader in the house. I'm usually the
Who's the
lonely
other one?
person trading the. That's
Oh,
me. I'm usually the only person
too
trading
now.
the Dow. So it'll be nice to have you have your opinion on the Dow for sure in these
Same.
morning sessions. Yeah.
Same here.
Mm.
Just a heads up, guys.
I don't know
It's
about
my
you guys,
first
but
time
I see
live, so
nothing. No, you're doing fine. You're doing absolutely fine.
chill with
Just
me. I might stutter
relax,
here and
be
there,
yourself.
but be gentle.
No, it's all good.
Be gentle, yeah. No worries.
And now, not like last time, I see the chat. I'm looking at the YouTube, so I see the chat. I see what you guys saying.
Oh, good,
Wow.
good.
Last time I see it afterwards, if you know what I
Yeah.
mean.
Yeah. No, I remember. You didn't see the chat last time. But it's all good. I don't know about you guys, but I'm seeing nothing in the market right now. I have got no
I mean,
levels.
the Dow's just diving.
Yeah. I'm not going to get in short because, I don't know,
Waiting.
I'm going to let this craziness... Yeah, I'm going to wait a bit, let the craziness happen. But I have nothing at this moment in time. Normally I at least have some kind of bias, but this is looking...
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. It
We'll
doesn't
let it
even
play
say
out.
much
Looking
that
at the
since we opened in value of yesterday's ES range, and it doesn't really mean a whole lot because yesterday was such a small standard distribution kind of day, like very small range price action. Breaking in or out of it probably doesn't have too much like fortitude to it. So that's also kind of why I'm sitting on my hands to a degree. Like you're saying, Sam, there's not a whole lot of levels. I mean, what I'm most concerned about is that there's just a bunch of liquidity stacked here between 64.49 on the ES and 64.54. So I'm just wondering if we want to like churn through that. And like that's all I have to go off at the moment is that liquidity, see if we churn through it from the overnight and then go from there.
Mhm.
Yeah.
The Dow's rebounding though.
Well,
the Dow's diverging a bit.
Okay.
Let us know in the chat if what you guys are trading. Yeah, Robert says NQ just smashing down too fast. It is very quick, the NQ right now. This is the thing, I have to wait. I'm gonna have to wait until some level gets created, something.
Patience is the
I
key.
see nothing at this moment in time. That's it, is the key.
Is there anything else you trade, Adelina? Do you trade specifically the US 30, or was there anything else you mentioned? I apologize, I didn't hear.
I like my US 30. I like to call it my relationship, my assumed relationship. But I can look at everything else. I can look at the ES, Nasdaq.
We
But
had
my
a
US
coach
30
as
is
well,
my
Iris, who had the same kind of perspective with the NQ. She called that her boyfriend. So there must be a female
that's
thing
what it is.
to
A toxic relationship. You know how it is. Get you ups and downs. You can't let it go. Yeah, we like to take things to make it more personal. Females,
Exactly.
maybe.
Well, it's good. Whatever works. Alright, we're getting a bit of a pullback on NQs. Maybe we've got something coming up soon. Let's have a look.
Yeah. We didn't even get to the liquidity. We bounced right before even getting to that liquidity in the ES, and I'm wondering if that was as much of the dip as we're going to see.
Yeah, I don't know. This market, I'm not feeling it right now. I have no gaps in volume or anything like that presenting itself. I got one a bit higher up, but I mean, if we get there, then sure. But I don't know. I'm doubtful we're gonna get there.
Yeah.
Maybe a small buy at the empty.
And then the
Let's
next
see
one.
here. A rejection.
And I don't know.
Mr. Peeps asking about when is the when's the cattle watch coming up? It's coming up right now, my friend. We're gonna look at it real quick right now for you.
Order filled.
Order filled.
As we know, me, Mr. Peeps, and Jaime are now a little bit of live cattle traders since I took my first cattle trade last week. So there's only one thing that means. You're just going to be seeing cattle on this screen more often than you think. So. Wowzer. That 232 level on the live cattle, guys, is one to deal with. I know that's. I think it was Mr. Peeps. I think you were playing the breakout of it at one point, like either yesterday or on Friday. You were trying to play the breakout of that or something, or maybe it was Jaime. I can't remember. Looks like it might be primed to do so today.
Order filled.
Filled.
All right, 5 minutes left in that 15-minute opening range
I
here.
got in short,
I think it's a good short.
and I'm out. Yeah, I'm out already.
10-second trade, not
Okay.
even.
I don't like the way the market's moving, man. I don't like it.
Yeah.
I don't think it was a true short.
sorry,
I think
did-
it's still going to be a bit
Did
bullish,
I
actually.
miss anything?
Not really, no.
Not
I think I
really.
got out as well. Pumped up.
Yeah,
I'm
that was a
looking for a
good
buy,
out for
so-
sure.
Yeah, Adelina, nice to meet you, first of all. I actually feel as
Nice
though
to
I
meet
do
you,
know
Danny.
a little bit
Order
about
filled.
Filled.
I've watched you and Sam kind of in these afternoons, because it's afternoon for me when you come on the guest traders session. So I'm on the East
Yeah.
Coast. I'm out here in Boston, Massachusetts. So I'm sorry if you can't understand the accent. Try to translate for you. And
Actually,
you
I
guys,
understand you
where
very
Sam-
well.
Okay, perfect.
I understand you very well.
perfect. Gotcha.
I don't even
So yeah, you know where
feel an accent.
Paul's down there in Florida, and then obviously
Yeah.
Sam is over there in the great UK, the heart of the great
Mhm.
UK.
UK, yeah.
Don't know about the word great, but
Yeah.
The rainy UK.
rainy UK. That's
Order
a more
filled.
accurate description.
Is it really like that, Sam? Like constantly, just
Oh, 100%. Not in summer. In summer, to be fair, the weather's okay, but
yeah.
like
Order submitted.
winter time, forget
Order
about it.
submitted.
Constant.
Yeah, that's rough.
The Dow, it will not stop
back end.
ripping.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay,
Order
let's
filled.
just get in. Not 1 second.
Back end. Can you update all the P&Ls, please?
Okay.
What time
let's
frame you
start
guys
painting the
usually
chart.
look at? 1 minute, 5 minutes? What time frame?
Sorry. Read Mr. Pete's
That's
comments.
so fun.
Sam looks
I said
at
it-
the
I said it
30-minute. The 30-second chart, which is always hard to follow. It's like drilling down so far in. And
No,
I'm
I look
usually,
at the 1 minute, but
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm usually on like the 2 minute or the 5 minute majority of the time, depending on which product that I'm trading.
Was just
just check out Mr. Pete's comment. He goes, I
Yeah,
was
it's
watching a rerun.
Order filled.
Everybody Loves Raymond at the weekend. Sorry, Tony, you could literally do a voiceover.
Order submitted.
Didn't I say that earlier? I was the
You did,
first to
yeah.
say
Order
that.
submitted.
Yeah.
You
yeah,
did.
Mr.
Order
Keith, that's
submitted.
pretty
Order
good.
submitted.
Very insightful comments so early in the morning.
It's all up, Tony.
Order
Yeah,
canceled.
yeah.
Order submitted.
Oh my
Order
God, you
filled.
should have seen it. I mean, you were catching.
Everybody loves
you
Tony.
weren't catching too much flack. You weren't catching too much flack in the chat. Yeah, that'll be the name of my next sitcom, right? Everybody loves Tony. You should have seen Sam. We had a great trade yesterday in crude oil, CL. It was live. We had a lot of time for the viewers to get into it. Just, out here creating generational wealth for the people at Hola Prime. And the flack that I was taking, okay, talking
Order
about
filled.
saying I'm ultra short, and there was a very special someone that was in the chat saying like, yeah, definitely ultra short. And no way is he ultra long in any aspect of life. So,
Hey, it happens.
man, I take it here.
I'm known as the 1 minute man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I know. That
I'm
was
known as 1 minute man. So
I'm
Between the
sorry
two
about
of you,
that.
my goodness.
All right, so it looks like that 15-minute opening range in the NASDAQ has been set. 770 the high, 660 the low. Nice 100-point range. Oh, so we'll see. See if we can't play the breakout here. Previous
And then,
day's close up at 23,788.
Everything is coming back in. Jeez, NASDAQ's trying to break lows. Dow is kind of peaking. ES back in the middle of its range. That's hilarious. So NASDAQ at lows, ES in the middle of range, and Dow close to its highs. That's the situation you've got. You've got three different situations here. You either short the highs of the Dow, you get in the middle, diddle in the middle on the ES, or you try to break lows of the NASDAQ.
Pick your poison.
Yeah.
All right, I'm actually long NQ here. Looks like we're getting a nice little bounce on that opening range low.
Yeah.
No, it stopped out. Great. Stopped out for profit, though. So it's all good.
that's all right.
Hey.
Can't complain.
No, really can't. I mean, it seems as though it's, not insanely choppy, but we'll see what happens for the rest of the day here, for the rest of the morning.
Yeah. Phew.
Yeah.
Just had a huge buyers just were liquidated on the NQ. 467 price level on the Delta for the buyers. That's insane. Price level 23,657. Wow. What the hell just happened there? Yeah, I'm staying away from this market. When I see stuff like that, that's when I recognize these are the big boys at war right now. And the problem is when you look at the cumulative delta, they're actually both very effective. Buyers and sellers are effective. There's not one side being massively absorbed or anything like that. So it can be a very up-down market, and it can move quickly depending on how aggressive whichever side is. If buyers want to become aggressive, they can actually push the market up. If sellers become aggressive, they will push the market down. So yeah, I don't like messing around with a market like this. I'm gonna have to wait till it calms down.
Yeah, gold isn't really, gold's rebounded a little bit since 8:30, kind of put in a little bit of a hammer candle there of sorts, so got bought up right around 3370 to 3372. It's been on a little bit of a rip since then, about $10 an ounce, but nothing crazy's going on with that. What's happening with crude here? Crude is in just a downtrend since the overnight. We're trading at $62 a barrel, essentially. see a ton there. Yeah,
Let's
as
go,
much as I would
guys.
love to be in a trade
You
right
guys
now,
can't even
it
see
just
what
does-
just
it feels
happened.
like
Dang,
patience
I'm
is
sorry,
the
guys.
most.
Oh my gosh, I forgot.
So
I
nobody's
am
in a
not going
trade
to
right
make
now?
the same mistake.
That's crazy.
Now,
No.
are you in a trade, Adelina?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Not yet.
Yeah, take your
If
time.
you ever are, if you ever are, just
Yeah.
shout it out, and we'll it's just so the viewers know, and we'll get your screen on or something. If we don't already have somebody else on a trade, don't be shy of just shouting it out.
Dang. I'm sorry.
Robert says he is up 1,129.29 across all of his accounts. Time to trade his sacrifice account. Well done, Robert. You're doing very well. You're doing better than us, so congratulations.
Yeah,
Yeah.
great plan. Switching over to the sacrifice account's a good idea after being up as much as you are. That's fantastic.
Sacrifice account.
Yeah.
We all have it. We all have a sacrifice account.
Oh, that's funny.
Come on. Show me something.
No, of course it didn't want to break to the downside. Let's see, headlines. Anything on the economic calendar today other than the building permits, housing starts 8:30, and nothing else for the rest of the day.
Yeah, it's boring.
Nothing major.
Boring.
I mean, it looks like people will start to slowly but surely pay attention as the week goes on to whatever comes out of Jackson Hole.
Yep.
Yep.
Jackson's Hole.
Yeah, we heard that one yesterday.
Who is Jackson? Which hole are we talking about?
Oh, yeah,
Jackson.
nothing right now.
I have a bias to get long the Dow, but it just seems too fakey. I'm just not gonna even I don't really have much on the market.
So
profile
essentially, we're at
structure
guys.
to be
We
to
took
be
a really
getting
good,
long, as much as it feels like it wants to be.
really
long,
good
so,
take.
Yep, patience. Wait. Continue to wait.
If it break
Yeah, it's boring.
45, 173, I'm in a long.
Okay.
Perfect.
If
Right? Yeah. Yeah, and NQ back up to that opening range low, that 660 level. A little bit of resistance, but still, I feel like it's generally trending higher a little bit here.
I mean, maybe if we checked the Daily Mail, we could kind of get a glimpse at what the people see, huh? Maybe what if there's,
You wanna
maybe
know
there's a bias in
something?
the Daily Mail.
That is the best idea that you had all morning.
Let's go. Let's get to it, huh?
I mean, if there's nothing on the economic calendar, chat, you got to go to dailymail.co.uk. All right? Yeah, I
so.
mean, just on the initial
Tony's
scroll.
special.
And this is the other thing. You scroll down a couple times, that's it. That's all you're allotted for the day. Okay, if you find that you are scrolling quarter of the way down Daily Mail, halfway down Daily Mail, you should probably just pack it in because you have nothing going on for the entire day if you're just reading all these headlines from the Daily Mail. popped out. No, it doesn't. It really doesn't look like there's much going on. Just like some billionaire kills his girlfriend and divorces his wife, and
And we're moving. 156 in
Standard
profit is
stuff
about
there.
40 points here. We're filled in at 50,
Yeah.
currently at 90. That's 40 points. We're rolling 10 micros, winning pretty light, and we're looking good here. This is the area we wanted all morning. Could have sold to it, could have bought off
Yeah,
of it.
this
Whatever
hurricane,
you wanted,
Hurricane
money's getting
Erin,
made.
for anyone that's on the east coast of the U.S.
We're negative for
Watch out, 7 states facing coastal threats as the monster storm rips through
Just
the
because I
east
feel like
coast.
paying myself.
There's a lot of flooding along the Atlantic coast.
Stop over trading and follow
Watch
my
out.
move.
What is that?
you
I'm gonna log off of these Tradeify
Is that
funded
me here?
accounts.
It's in Florida?
Paper trade for the rest of the session.
Um,
because I'm
yeah,
not
you
getting
guys
back
in here?
profits. I'm up over
Coach,
10
sorry.
No, it's
on the morning with Tradeify
it's not it's not like a
to
threat.
the back
for
end
Florida,
production.
really.
Here's
It's
all my
turning up once
entries.
more, but
Here's
we'll
the same
get
account
probably
numbers, and
wins,
there's
like,
the profit.
you
for
know, outer
transparency.
band, super outer band wins or
Every
something, or a little bit
day.
of higher.
I don't know how we could do this.
but
Jack, can I get a profit? Hold on.
Yeah, we've been having just clouds of rain the last 2 days.
Profit roll call.
What if you guys enter a trade and then high winds or whatever, the storm comes, knocks out all internet,
That is great.
and now you cannot get out of that trade.
Get ready for this. You ready for this? We got
You have to put a stop loss.
Just ride it.
50 points.
We got up 11K. We got
Let's say you entered, but just as about you were going to put your stop loss, but just before you were able to set it, everything cut off.
I mean, if I was in my cash account or something, I'd be calling my broker immediately to cancel the trade. That's for sure.
All
Or to
power
set the
lines,
stop
everything's
loss.
down.
Oh my god. Well, then I'm just screwed.
I would call Coach Troy with his 17 power backups and internet backups and give him my password and let him log in.
Yeah, I think he has satellite access or something. He connects
Yeah,
to a
yeah.
battery to his personal satellite. You know.
I like that we're up today,
It's
guys.
taking it too far.
This is
man.
good. Oh, anyways, I got
Yeah,
sidetracked. I was
satellite
like
access.
watching other people
Careful,
see
trading.
what if they got hit or not.
All right, I'm gonna
Trade
go.
People that
gotta
I've seen on
trade.
YouTube.
That's how I feel. with
One of the
that.
prop
I'm
firms
starting to feel like
I
should get
trade, Tradeify. I watch Hola Primed. I like their coaches.
Nice little bull flag in the NQ.
Tradeify also does a similar thing. If you go there, they do have
Yeah, go Paul. I'll follow you shortly when you
another, basically Tradeify TV, just like Hola Prime TV
I might get
or
long
Hola
the
TV.
ES.
Hola Prime TV.
Trying to decide
um,
whether I want to get long the ES or the Dow. I think I can get long the Dow.
Actually, one of the strategies that I, kind of look at
5 minutes.
is,
Okay, just started that.
I don't know if he's a guest speaker on there today. His name is Max, it looks like. I don't even know. if
You
I've
guys
ever
use
seen the videos.
indicators?
I'm not really a big fan of the.
No.
Paul?
Never
Unless
mind.
it's,
Let's just not
that-
say anything. That's wrong.
Unless you count the footprint or volume profile or anything like that. If you count that
Segment.
as an indicator, then technically, yeah. But
That it brings
no, I just use volume profile.
Some people like it.
Footprint
more of a
and depth.
chill, that kind of a person.
I use
Don't get loud.
shorter term EMAs. I think Tony does the
Nothing
same. Tony
wrong
might
with
use a little
it.
bit
Yeah.
more.
So I don't
but,
wanna-
Yeah, shorter term EMAs.
But do you
I use.
trade a strategy
Yeah, I use
that I've
too. I use,
seen
like, the 9
him
EMA and the 21
use,
EMA.
and he
Kind of
actually talks
just
about.
Signal.
I don't use the
whether or
strategy
not a trend
fully.
is
It's probably why he's better at it.
Sticking,
and does
sticking
better.
around or if the trend is
Uh,
kind of switching.
Kind of like to do my
Like
own
right
things,
now, like usually I'm, long and
Get
Q,
crazy.
so I'm kind of.
But anyways, he's on there today.
See some of these candles close
I
above.
think as a
They're definitely
guest
above the
because
9
his name's
EMA.
not at the
So I
top
wanna
with
see 'em
profit
really start to
positions.
close above the 21
But
EMA,
I don't
to kinda
know what I'm even
signal
getting
on
to. But
signal.
anyways,
Things are going higher.
that's what I was getting to. So we did take a trade.
And then
We're up
I'm generally trading with
159
a
on our
15-minute
cash
opening
account
range of
for the
NASDAQ,
day. We
so
are bringing this number back. As you
there are a
can
couple
see,
indicators
we
as
did
well
do
that I
well
usually get a
here.
position on.
We're golden.
But
Our stop loss got hit pretty quick.
we'll be able to explain live
We
the
just
audience.
moved it too fast. Started trying to move this
Yeah.
other one. on this side, and this one got hit. So we did not capitalize on that
The
downward
volume on the
movement,
ES
the
looks
second
weak
down,
right now, like it doesn't wanna
which
push
would have
up
been awesome
out of this
because this
area
is
in the
a
ES, which gets me a little bit cautious.
a funded
Long.
account.
This
These
is
two right
definitely a
here,
better
we
area
would
for
be
execution of the long on the Dow or
at
the ES,
200-ish,
in terms of at the low,
just
it's
because
like,
we
you know,
caught the
10-minute
top. We
range or so,
kind of
but,
got in here around here, this level.
it's very iffy, very iffy. But the Nasdaq's holding up well, and it's holding above that 21 period EMA that I see on the 1 minute at the moment.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll see. I don't really like it. Should just be able to push higher. You know that Sam was yelling it out.
Yeah.
That it's not really looking great.
M-
Sam, you in a short?
Yeah,
I
I
see
got
the
into a
MQ,
short now
the
already.
5 minutes. 5 minutes chart, the 940 candle. It doesn't kind of look as a long. It looks like you want a short.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, some seller.
I
selling
should have
pressure
held
you
into
can-
that short. That was a good one.
Seriously.
It's alright. Made a bit of money.
Scalpy Sammy, they call him. The little the scalpy guy.
Scalpy. Makes me sound like I have a disease or something.
It sounds like a cartoon. Scalpy Sammy.
I'd watch the cartoon. Here we go.
Superhero.
Come on, I need that push.
Scalp the markets.
Flip flopping here.
The market just don't want to go nowhere. What's going on? Yesterday was really looks like a radio frequency, just like that.
Yeah, be super cautious in a market like this. I'm struggling to read the footprint properly, if I'm honest. There's just too much balance between buyers and sellers.
Oh, well.
Oh, everybody
Down
can have his
1300.
plus,
Anyways.
so that's good.
No, I'm down.
That's alright.
It is what it is. I flip
Tony,
flopped.
you will make it up.
Yeah, you think so? You believe in me?
I do.
Oh, we've.
You always pull it out somehow. You're like a magician.
You do.
Yeah, and this is the thing. Again, I mean, this is the second time that I got my levels. I'm flip-flopping around in the middle, and you just lose like $1,000. And it's like, yeah, exactly. I mean, this happened on what, Friday, when I was up almost 2,000. No, I was up 1,500, and then I was down 500, so I lost $2,000. Yeah, again, sit on your hands, wait.
At the end of the day,
Like Adelina's saying, like Sam's saying, like
Plus
like
1,000.
Paul's saying, like but the market's not like there yet. It's not there for at least my strategy. So I sit on my hands and I wait for my level.
I mean, I was looking at getting long the 10-year Treasury bonds. I was getting long holding that for a while today. As boring as that sounds, and then looking at other markets, trading the ES and whatnot throughout the session, but
I'm a long on a Dow, just a small micro. Let's
very
see.
nice.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I want to be long. Should probably hang in there.
breakout on the Dow there, Adelina. I took my eyes off of it for 3 minutes, and this happens. This is what I get. This is what I get for looking at the 10-year bonds. Who's doing that? Who's doing that?
That's why I treat you as 30 as a boyfriend. He's jealous. If you look somebody somewhere else, he just slaps you. That's it. You have to pay full attention to him. Here we go.
All right, we're gonna get long here.
Wow.
Come on.
Rip City.
Yep, we're making our mark. 5 contracts long. Come on.
Boom. What did I knew it. Too busy typing stuff in, trying to let people know. I should have took that.
I am
Right
also
there.
long.
Huge
like we should
order
go up.
right
Like,
at
what are
this
we gonna do,
move
start
up
making
right
new
here. Right
lows?
at the move
You know?
up.
All right.
Huge order
Just made
came
a
underneath
quick $100
on the
scalp
ES.
on NQ.
Let me see if I can grab the ES real
well
quick.
done. All right, we've got some movement. Let's see what's going on. Okay.
So right at this move right here, huge order came down right about here.
Meant to hold that
Right at the
longer.
move.
Come
So
on,
that's
hit my
their
limit.
SL.
Come on, come on. Come on, baby. Up 15. Come on. Let's go.
Go, go, go.
Oh my god. Target the higher that candle. Come on, push through.
Take
You
money.
want to. Take the money and run. Sam.
Sam.
Take the money.
Take it.
I can't look at this. This is too
So
painful.
it looks like to me
Thank you.
ES is
Are
in
you
the driver's
watching
seat
this?
today.
I can't. I can't. I gotta be back to flat.
Yeah.
Come on, come on. Push it.
Are you on 5
Come
contracts?
on.
Oh god, this is painful.
I got 5
Take it.
contracts here. Yes,
You
there we go.
Yes. There you go.
There we go. Push it up a little bit more.
Good. You're flat.
Wait,
You're
I'm gonna
flat.
trail it. I'm gonna trail it. I'm gonna trail.
There you go.
Nice.
Come on. Woo! We're out.
All right.
Up
Beautiful.
$84.
Good stuff.
There we go.
God, you make it back.
There we go.
Good trade. Good
Down
trade.
1,300, up 84. All right, not doing that again. You saw that live chat. Was that a good trade?
Till tomorrow.
Maybe.
Good trade.
Not doing that again.
Yeah. I mean, it was high risk, but I wanted it to get up above that 21 period EMA, and it did. And we had a little bit of a rip, but again, just a rip right into the middle of the opening range, which of course, it's like no man's land. So if we sell back down a little bit, it wouldn't surprise me. It really wouldn't surprise me. We'll see. We'll see what happens here.
Yeah.
So again, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Either we're gonna come back down to that opening range low, break through. I don't think that we would do that because again, like we're gonna start making like what multi-day lows again, based off of what? Nothing. So I feel like we push up to that opening range high, that 23,770 level. So
Yeah.
we'll see. For anyone
I
that's
will
still
say
long.
we do have Feds Bauman
my
making
gosh, I didn't
headlines.
caught
He's
that.
like every minute it seems
Good
he's
for him.
saying something that is making headlines over the last 3 minutes or so.
I do want to get more on my cash
about
account here.
Debanking and Fed addressing debanking as a problem. It's like a problem with the financial system. So he's just making.
think
I know that he was slated to speak at
this
some point, I believe. So maybe that was at 10 o'clock.
Is telling
Eastern.
me to buy.
Just a little bit of headline.
Just go ahead and buy the
risk,
book map. I want to be able to see
nothing too
more
crazy, but whenever a
of
Fed
the
member
orders
speaking,
come
just
in.
gotta be aware.
Than what I see here on the tube view. If you look at if you look at bookmap stream futures,
No, that's
or
good.
book
I heard
MP
that
stream
they were doing-
futures is the
what were they
is the
doing
stream
earlier?
futures
Some
NQ.
sort of
Yes.
mid-tier bank stress test, and I guess again there's problems with like the small hometown banks, which is just ridiculous after going through like the Silicon Valley Bank and
Right.
First Republic debacle. Like still really these banks are having like capitalization problems, or Unreal.
Yeah, it is. We get long.
So I don't know
EMQ
if anyone
again
wants
here.
to take a chart.
Tony.
here. I'm kind of just, like I said, waiting to see if we go higher to that opening range high or that opening range low. So I'm just kind of sitting here doing nothing. But if anyone else has a
Yeah.
chart that they want to share, or you're something you're eyeballing,
Kind of looking at the same thing as you. I'm looking to possibly get long here,
Yeah.
I think, in the NASDAQ, but not really looking at much else. I think I'm joining the NASDAQ boys today. Might be trading the NASDAQ
oh yeah,
more.
there you
Go
go.
for it.
Let's go.
I'm alone here with the US 30.
Nice.
Nice.
As
I love it.
as I
US
say that, I
30
think we're about to
down.
get long. Yes.
I would be long as well. I don't trade US 30.
You're still long the Dow, Adelina, from that first trade, or did you get out and get back in?
No, I'm still long.
Got it. Cool.
I'm just one micro, so I don't
Yeah.
lose nothing basically. I'm still up though. $3. $3.
Dunkin' coffee.
Yeah, don't even get me started.
I got short.
You gotta add
No.
tax in there, Paul.
Yeah. Yeah, for you, that's
That was
terrible.
annoying. I got short. I was up like 170, hit flatten, and then I look at my
Yeah.
P&L. I'm like, that wasn't an additional 170. I look at the trade, closed me out at 70.
Yep,
Nah,
gotta
That
hate
one-
that slippage.
That $100 slippage.
It's just-
That's
it-
brutal.
Yeah,
it just
I know.
moves too much. By the time I hit flatten, it's already like jump. By the time I see it on the footprint, the reason I'm getting out,
Mm-hmm.
it's already happened. The lag is there.
Yeah.
But what can you do? What can you do?
Actually, Sam,
So,
Daryl was
here's
telling
another
me
thing
about how you were how
we're
you were
gonna
showing
do.
him the ruler.
Is
Like, to
soon we
measure
will
the
be
distance
looking
between
at
one or two bars. Yeah, that thing is really helpful. Honestly,
Yeah, it's great.
it's such a simple tool, but
I always
because
use the
majority
ruler.
of the time, yeah, majority of the time when looking at trend or like the start of a trend, like bull flag, bear flag, I'm trying to see whether or not there's north of a 50 to 55% retracement in like the flagpole that gets painted. So I mean, looking at this US 30 Dow Jones trade, if you're looking to get long, I mean, I think that the level that I would have a stop loss is probably just a hair below the EMA, so that 45,171 level. I mean, if we really start to get some candles that close below that EMA,
Mm-hmm.
depends on your risk tolerance, like how long you want to stay in a trade for,
Yeah.
But yeah, that's really
No,
helpful.
absolutely.
I'm glad that there's a tool like that. Seriously.
It's really
Yeah,
good.
my stop
If
loss
you don't use
is
the
at
ATR.
40.
Go on, Adelina.
Me? Yeah, my stop is at 45,140.
45,140. Oh yeah, sure. Yeah. I mean, yeah.
And take profit is at 45, 300,
Interesting.
300, 306. Somewhere there.
Yeah, yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
But it's very slow. I don't really like it.
Yeah. I mean, it's not totally breaking down against you.
Mhm.
Yeah, I would say if we obviously start to approach that 45,146 level, because that's like that 21 period EMA that I usually look at. And if we get candles that close below that, as time goes on, is probably not playing out. But you know, it's totally up to you whether or not you would want to stay in, because it'd probably take like another 10 minutes. How long do you usually stay in your trades for?
For as long as you need it. I can stay on an hour.
It's a great answer.
Wow.
That's the right answer, actually.
Definitely.
Yeah,
Right
Sam.
way to do it.
Just kidding. I'm joking.
Yeah, Sam. Why don't you?
No, I know.
Adelina's gonna teach Sam now.
I'm terrible when it comes to holding trades and whatnot. Like I can't hold for anything, but it's fine. That's just how I
Figure out
Hey,
this
you
stuff
more
means
than-
down here. Got to figure out this
That
whole
P&L is always
platform.
green though. So
If I use
If
the
it works,
one
it
that
works.
Exactly.
is already there, this is what it
Yeah.
kind of looks like.
We all have a
It was
different
just
way of
at.
doing
I
it.
think I changed it.
That's all
It
that
was on
matters.
NQ. Looking at
That's the
ES
thing.
right there. We are looking at
We all have
NQ or
different
ES
ways
over
to
here.
catch the move.
The one that I situated.
I just feel like I want to take a bigger position now.
Yeah, I mean, a pretty good reload level was at 145, 188.
It looks like there is some stuff up at the top.
Because like that's at 9 period EMA. And
Oh,
we kind of
workspace is
got
already open?
Caught a little bit of
Where?
support there.
Where?
Yeah, I'm
Where
looking at
I
it.
mean,
Is
you know,
it?
it's
It's
a
not
couple,
open.
couple ticks away. I mean, it's not still a terrible level to.
Where
play
is it
into
open
one
at?
More position, but
I don't see it, huh?
that's your call. It is slow. It's such a slow grind today. You'd think that more would have happened already.
Yeah.
And then even on the NQ, still
Oh,
pulling back
100%.
just a little bit.
yeah,
Very slow.
my OCO order
Market.
on when we all took that NQ, or when me and you took that NQ long, Tony, I had an OCO order accidentally that didn't have like
There you
a
go.
high enough
Boom.
target profit, so literally it got hit within like 2 seconds. That was a mistake, because that was like I think the easiest
This is
trade
how I
so
have
far
it set
this
up
morning by far.
so
That
far.
was definitely the easiest long to take. It was kind of like an inverted head and shoulders that formed on like the 1 minute, 5 minute, and
I think it looks like it is
geez,
going to
that was just
finally
an
hit
easy
this
one for me.
area.
I regret not being able to have my OCOs in a larger bracket there. But, you know.
We're kind of going through things. We're going to look at this, see how things go.
Ooh, okay.
Let's see, what
I'll
else
look
can we
it down.
find here?
Excuse me.
Yikes.
Oh, getting tired. Yeah, this market
Late
doesn't know
night?
what it wants to do yet. Still waiting for. No, just tired. You know, I'm just a tired person.
Come on, man. You had a day off.
What did you do on your day off?
Oh no, it wasn't a pleasure day off. And
Oh,
hospital
man.
appointment, so wasn't a
Gotcha.
one to celebrate.
Let's see.
Come on, NQ, do something. You're being very, very boring. Just do something. Oh, NQ. Why are you being so boring?
Sounds like the Scooby-Doo. Where are you?
See what's going on here.
Mr. Peeps is
Scooby
saying
and
new Ola Prime TV segment. The chat challenges one of the coaches to trade an instrument of the chat's choice. Could be good on slow days. You know, not the worst idea to do in like a practice account or something, just to make sure that we're not like just destroying our challenge accounts or anything. But I feel like that's a good idea, to be quite honest. And I mean, I know I would love that for sure. You guys know
I'm
me.
up for the challenge.
Oh, I would
I'm all
love
over
that.
the place.
I would definitely be up for that. You'll see me get annihilated though with a different instrument, I can imagine. They're gonna make us like trade cattle and
Yeah, it's gonna be some.
Look at this.
Soybeans.
We got Ideal over
Hey.
here wanting to
completely butchered, but it's fine.
give us cheap views. We don't need cheap views.
I'm up for it.
Do you not see the money we are making here, guys?
It's funny because I've taken a look at all these charts this morning. I took a look at wheat, soybeans, copper, cattle,
Trade center.
hogs. I've literally looked at everything this morning already. I mean, right now I'm still on the ES at the moment. I know we just switched to my screen, but we could look. Could take a look at some, maybe short the soybean market right now. It had a big down leg here in the early part of the morning. Got bought up a little bit.
Why not? Soybean sounds
You look
good.
Yeah, maybe. I got to build out some market profile charts of these guys, of these like odd markets.
Isn't soybean really dependent on weather and
Oh yeah.
whatnot? So with this storm coming in, I don't know if that's going to affect the. I don't know. Do they grow soybeans in the East Coast? I have no idea. But
I don't know what that says.
I don't.
if they do,
I'm not.
I
I don't
think that's heartland, like Iowa.
Yeah. Right. Landlocked, more inland.
And
for
don't
sure.
don't,
And
don't
then,
they have like weekly storage numbers that come out for soybeans or something?
Yeah, undoubtedly. There's a lot of data on like there's like a lot of Nielsen data, I think, on like inventories and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't think if anything, maybe like I'm not sure where the main areas of soybeans are for like in like Africa and whatnot as well. I don't know in what areas of Africa soybeans are mostly grown, but it could be weather implications. Maybe on the west coast of Africa or something. I don't know. Maybe somebody in the chat can enlighten me. I don't know too much about the soybean markets.
no, neither do I. But it's used for cattle feed a lot, isn't it? So
Society.
soybeans.
Can't trade
So
it.
they're gonna. It's gonna have an effect on the live cattle market, maybe. I don't know.
Well, there's a lot of substitutes. So like honestly, it's kind of like whatever is cheaper. They'll substitute whatever is cheaper out to feed, I believe.
Right.
So.
Interesting. Yeah, I'm going to stick to NQ and ES, I think. Sounds interesting, but sounds good.
But I'm just gonna make some money. I'm actually gonna make some money. Thanks.
Yeah. Sounds great. They're the old soybeans. Do 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 do. I've actually got Scooby-Doo song in my head now. So, thank you, Adelina.
No problem.
South America and Asia seem to be the hub for soybeans. Good to know. My one of my colleagues used to trade soybeans in Africa, which is why I did mention it. But that makes sense. I feel like South America. I mean, I'm sure. I mean, Brazil grows like everything agriculturally, so I wouldn't be surprised if Brazil has a big say in that in South America, and then Asia also just makes a ton of sense. So they got a lot of their own stuff going on over there.
And they're buying the South American inventories hand over fist.
Yeah.
Interesting. Good to know.
While the Dow trends upwards, it looks like the NASDAQ wants to trend downwards, which then makes me indecisive on the ES to trade the ES. So I feel like I should stick to either the NASDAQ or the Dow today, as much as I want to trade the ES.
Yeah. Man, this market's boring.
Yeah, I know. Always got to find something though.
It will pop eventually. Something will just, and then all of a sudden, wait, trade time. But my areas
trying to find
are
something to trade
still a
here.
bit far away, which is a little bit annoying.
I was looking
Trying to look at
possibly
the footprints, give me any
a little bit
clues
down.
if it can go up or
We'll
down
pull
at
it
this
down.
moment in time. I couldn't with confidence
We'll see though.
say.
Watching some liquidity come in.
I guess usually summer is like that. It's a slow market.
Well,
It's
yeah,
summer.
exactly. Very true. Very true.
Look, they're building liquidity down underneath, and then they're gonna smash down. Is of my opinion, of course, could be completely wrong, but there is a lot at the top.
Really going nowhere fast. Jeez Louise. Come on. Let's do something.
Let us know in the chat what everyone is trading.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, I did pull down. Just like I
I
say.
think I hear something again.
Just like I
Oh
say.
no.
Matic.
Uh-oh. Sound bigger? Bigger this time?
I don't know. It could just
Getting
be
ready to
pipes.
put
It could
in,
just
but-
be, you know,
Alright, well, it just pulled the rest. There is still a bunch of
Pipes with
NQ underneath. I mean, ES underneath, but it looks like they're starting to pull
Actually.
those orders. Yep, they just pulled the orders.
they exist, right?
Everybody just pulled their orders underneath.
Yikes, gold is in like a compression range right now. That doesn't even feel tradable.
I just missed it, yeah.
Dow
It's
looks
okay.
like it's respecting the EMA 9.
Yeah.
It's very
I
nice.
do want to take this lower all the way to here, but
Yeah,
I don't
there
think
you
it's
go.
worth it. I mean, like, I want to get this cash account up. This is the one that's the closest to taking profit. We kind of missed it.
There's a baby.
Yeah, I hear a baby. Is that your baby, Tony?
Yeah, there might be a little one running around.
Oh, very cool.
These walls are pretty thin, though. You
Very
hear
good.
everything. It's old Boston brownstone.
It's nice to hear them.
Yeah, but it's just like, is it yours or is it somebody else's?
If it's yours.
Yeah.
If it's somebody else's, it's nicer to hear, I guess.
Oh, it did drop through it.
All
guess
right,
I should've
Dow
took
breaking
that.
out. Wow.
Yeah, seriously.
It's okay, guys. You know,
Something is
I
happening.
was gonna say
No FOMO.
62,
just got
64.
to take our non-winnings. We did win over here, though, so we can't be mad about that. Did
Any
good.
level yet? What's the cumulative?
Wow, the NASDAQ is just
NQ
getting
dump
Minus
crushed.
2,000 contracts.
That was the
1.2.
Everything's
Excuse me.
son of a gun.
Do 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 do.
What's
Wow.
going on? Go
Look
back
at this
up.
volume
Go
coming
back
into the
up.
NQ.
Go back up. Go back up.
The volume is insane. NQ. What is going on? As soon as it broke that low.
Maybe.
Yeah, we're
3, 4, 5,
Fine
6, 7,
here in
8,
NQ.
9, 10, 11. Well over 1,000 contracts.
Rip.
That's big for the NQ.
Missed it.
That is.
Yeah.
Very big.
Watching too many
so want to push
YouTube.
lower.
Watching too
See if
many
there's any
people.
news
Yeah,
use
that
going
it.
nine-
on here.
940 on Nasdaq, 940 5 minutes candle for me really screamed sell. So it's a sell. I didn't take it, but it screamed sell for me.
I don't see any. Yeah, I don't see any news. So I don't think there's any news like associated with this. But Mr. Peeps, yeah, crypto dropping.
Is it Trump
The only
talking
thing I
or
see-
something?
Maybe.
Maybe
Fed
Trump
Bellman
said
just
China.
ended his comment 15 minutes ago, but yeah, exactly. He might have. You never know. You never know.
Curious. I'm gonna get my sim account here and take one huge trade.
Dang man, the Dow was
It's crack
such a
lacking.
good one.
Huge trade down to 446.
This is a Coach Troy day on the
Order
Nasdaq.
filled.
He's got to be shorting the heck out of everything
yeah.
I know.
today.
Coach Troy's loving life right now. I like how any
Tiger's
downward day
long-
is a Coach Troy day.
Yeah, right. That's so true. So true. Coach Tiger's in the chat. Still long gold. Dude, gold is like
Tiger.
I know Coach Tiger gets in longer positions, but intraday right now, gold is a literal insufferable at the moment. I am gonna just keep my eyes away from it. Man, the Nasdaq just wants to keep going.
Yeah, it's selling off. But it's approaching an area soon where I could potentially long it, so come on NASDAQ. Don't just stop. That's the most important thing.
Stop filled.
You know? Don't give
You
up.
can see we
Don't
took
stop.
a pretty
Carry
huge
on.
trade in one day, and it gave us like 40K.
Don't stop.
Let's see here.
Just don't think I trust it. And we're about ready to need to go to work, so
Karaoke session.
Let's go a little bit more.
Yeah.
It's not the bottom. It's a buy right there. Shoot. The ES feels like you'll just get chopped up if you get into positions because it's just back in the middle of its range essentially. The Dow, you have to kind of wait for a pullback to possibly continue to get long if you think the trend is going to stay. And the Nasdaq is just, I don't like the action on the Nasdaq. It kind of,
Well, it's a bad day
Kinda
for you to
sickens me a
jump
little
in and
bit.
start trading the Nasdaq, right? I mean,
yeah, I'm really
So
liking
rough.
it less and less, to be quite honest.
Yeah. Well, it honestly, I'll say, like, it's not usually like this. Honestly, this is like tough for sure.
No.
It's one of those things where you just gotta wait for it to approach a level and pick your spots. I mean, but already though, like, it didn't even push all the way down to the 50. Not the 50 MA, but like the 50% standard, the first standard deviation below the opening range low. And now, of course, we're approaching the opening range low, that 23,660.
All right, guys.
Just right back up. Who knows?
Don't
We'll
think
go through it.
we
won't. Maybe a good place to short.
don't think we
But
get
we didn't
any
even
more
come down and touch that 23,605 level.
on our funded account.
No. This is the Nasdaq. Theatrical.
Yep, it loves to do its own thing.
Come on, Nasdaq, just get to that level. Get to that level. Come on, you know you want to. You know you want to go there. Oh, it's just messing around, isn't it?
You're very talented, Sam.
Am I?
You have no idea.
You're talented. Everything is a song. I like that.
Yeah, it has to be. I entertain myself when the Nasdaq's not entertaining me.
So the Dow right now, the reason, I mean, part of the reason that it's rocketing is just all of the normal players that you would feel like would make it go up are like, you know, Nvidia, Amazon, Microsoft. Those are all actually down on the day, 1 to 2%. But you have just this plethora of industrials and consumer staples.
Dropping.
And
I don't want to jump in,
that
man.
are up, like
I
Home
don't want to
Depot,
FOMO
Sherwin
this.
Williams, Caterpillar, all up.
Missed it. Already missed it again.
Home Depot's up 4.2%. I think they had earnings.
Yeah, we're not doing it.
Salesforce up.
Anyways, all the
McDonald's,
peace, all the
19,
loves.
Merck,
Let's
3M, Procter & Gamble,
chill out.
All of these are seeing
so
large
want
gains on
that.
the day. So they're the boring stocks that people don't like to look at as much, but they are killing it, which is
More
shoving
drop.
the
We
Dow
missed the
upwards
drop,
here,
man. I
so-
can't believe we missed this drop. It came up here.
Makes
So
sense.
typically what happens is you got a big drop, okay, and then you get this little bit of craziness, and then it drops more.
I think I'm about to close my
I
position.
want it.
Let's see.
Yeah, 273. I thought your take profit was like, what was it, 80, 85 or?
Right. Mine?
Yes.
It was 45 300.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Mm.
Not
So
quite.
close. So close.
It was 2 to 1 risk reward, but you might touch it right now. I don't know. I see this candle.
Yeah, it looks like it's still respecting that
Close.
9 MA.
Right. 2,
Yeah.
3, 4, 7.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's not a terrible reason to get out.
Is
I mean, you could trail it with a stop
likely
loss and
where
put
it
it right
might
below
go.
there. You know, 23.6. Oh, sorry, 45 267, something like that. NQ just still doesn't want to push down, go even lower.
We're getting closer and closer to this area, which is good.
All right. I think I'm switching to the practice account here, and I'm going to look at some live cattle.
Oh, it
Maybe
actually did come down
practice a
to
little bit
that
trading
level
in the
that I
live
thought it was
cattle
going
or
to come
something.
down to.
I can't handle this.
No, it didn't.
Why not?
Give a look at a few things here.
Let's do a bit of live cattle.
platinum just
Oh, it's gonna
dumping
take out the
at
600.
moment. That's interesting. Haven't looked at platinum in a little while.
Like they
Yeah, I got
pulled
out.
the other orders. So many people
Okay, that was a great
punching in
trade.
for
Good job.
possible.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Order filled.
Daryl
Order
would be proud
filled.
as
With it.
well.
Yes,
Yeah,
he loves to
exactly,
Stay
like-
in for a long time.
For sure.
Coach
I like those
Darrell.
trades where I don't
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
when I don't go
All right, just wanted to grab
when I
that.
get
So
in
we
and it's
are
always
up a little
plus.
bit more. I like it.
in a downside.
Yeah.
It's good enough for me.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't pull all those
Zero
orders
draws
yet.
down
I
trades.
was-
Then
Shoot. Okay, I guess I should have stayed in. Oh well.
This one was one of
Let's
those.
see if
Very
we can't
nice.
catch the
We're
bottom
close to a
on the
minimal
podcast
profit
here.
day.
It's,
What we want our minimal profit
short,
day to be,
maybe
and you can see it did go up.
downwards.
It's probably going to take out these orders up here. Boom, it just did.
Short it down to the 21 period, maybe.
All right, well, cool.
That's nice.
We almost FOMO there.
This is just in the practice account, though. I'm not going to be
All right, guys, I gotta go
trading
for
live
sure.
cattle in the challenge account for
All the
a little
loves.
while
Thank you
until
for
I've got
being
my
here.
bearings on how
Thank
this
you
thing
for
really
seeing
moves.
what we did do.
But yeah.
Only today, you know. what I mean?
Adelina, could you just check the Zoom chat real quick?
Mhm.
Peace and all the loves. We will see you later, alligator.
This thing's gotta go down.
All right, peace. We'll be back on.
Don't go up yet.
I don't know.
Come on.
Tonight's movie
Haven't
night,
hit that
so I don't
yet.
know
what
if
are
we're
you-
gonna be streaming
are you an
Apex or
NQC?
not.
Please, you're so close.
But maybe we will.
I'm
We'll
not
see what
in.
happens.
I'm waiting.
It might
for
be